Most professionals are posting content, but not all of them are positioning themselves as the expert. And that's a big difference. See, posting is easy. You can share a quick quote, a behind-the-scenes photo, or a random thought of the day. But if there's no strategy behind it, it's just noise. It might get likes, but it doesn't build authority. It doesn't move your audience closer to working with you. Positioning, on the other hand, is intentional. It's about creating content that educates, elevates, and engages. You're not just showing up. You're showing that you know what you're talking about, that you've helped people before, and that you can help the person listening right now. Here's why this works. People don't just buy from those they like. They buy from those they trust. And trust is built through consistency, clarity, and confidence. Your content is your proof. Proof that you know your stuff and that you're the right person for the job. So before you hit post, ask yourself, is this helping position me as the go-to expert in my field? Is this guiding someone one step further in their decision-making journey? Because every piece of content is either building your brand or blending in with the crowd. Don't just post, position. When you start creating with purpose, you stop chasing attention and start attracting opportunity. And if you want support building out a content strategy that actually positions you as the expert, Edumarketing is here to help. From video production to podcasting, publishing, email marketing, and branding, we give professionals like you the tools to lead with value and stand out with confidence. Let's build your expert brand together.